Part 1. Listen to the dialogue about asking and giving direction and complete the dialogue.
Hi, I'm looking for the market. Do you know how to get there?
The market is in the right direction. You must rotate in the opposite direction. Then pass through 2 traffic lights. The market is on the right side of the road, opposite the park.
Excuse me, how do I get to the bookstore from here?
Straight road to the left. Turn right when you find the fountain. Walk straight until you find a traffic light, then turn left. The bookstore is on the right side of the street across from the school.
Excuse me. Is there a bank around here?
Do you see a traffic light at the end of street? Turn left and go straight. You will find a bank on the right side of the road, not far from the turn.
Hello. Could you tell me where the nearest train station is?
Go straight to the right. Turn left at the second traffic light. Walk straight to the end of the road, then turn right. You will find a train station on the left side, right opposite of a hotel. Excuse me, is there a restaurant around here?
Go straight to the right. Turn left at the second traffic light. You will find a bridge on the right side at the crossroads.
Part 2. Listen to the common collocation with take. Then, complete the second words on the collocation below. You will listen each collocation twice.
Take a break.
Take a break.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Country roads, take me home.
Country roads, take me home.
Take a bribe.
Take a bribe.
Take a favorable turn.
Take a favorable turn.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Take a dive.
Take a dive.
Take a glance at.
Take a glance at.
Take a decision.
Take a decision.
Take a long time.
Take a long time.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Take care of the child.
Take care of the child.
Take a cup of tea.
Take a cup of tea.
Take a matter.
Take a matter.
Take a curtain.
Take a curtain.
Take a hop.
Take a hop.
Take a drive.
Take a drive.
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Take a look at.
Take a look at.
Take a leak.
Take a leak.
Take a joke.
Take a joke.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take a fancy to.
Take a fancy to.
Take a horn.
Take a horn.
Take some time.
Take some time.
Take a holiday.
Take a holiday.
Take a chance.
Take a chance.
Take a hint.
Take a hint.
Take something by mistake.
Take something by mistake.
Take a drop too much.
Take a drop too much.
Part 3. Listen to descriptive audio below and complete the text from the audio.
The Eiffel Tower is an iron lattice tower located on the Champ de Mars in Paris. Built in 1889, it has become both a global icon of France and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. The tower is the tallest building in Paris and the most visited paid monument in the world. Millions of people ascend it every year. Named for its designer, engineer Gustave Eiffel, the tower was built as the entrance arch to the 1889 World's Fair. The tower stands 324 meters, 1,063 feet, tall, about the same height as an 81-story building. Upon its completion, it surpassed the Washington Monument to assume the title of tallest man-made structure in the world, a title it held for 41 years, until the Chrysler Building in New York City was built in 1930. However, due to the addition in 1957 of the antenna, the tower is now taller than the Chrysler Building. Not including broadcast antennas, it is the second tallest structure in France after the 2004 Millet Viaduct. The tower has 3 levels for visitors. Tickets can be purchased to ascend, by stairs or lift, to the first and second levels. The walk to the first level is over 300 steps, as is the walk from the first to the second level. The third and highest level is accessible only by elevator. Both the first and second levels feature restaurants. The tower has become the most prominent symbol of both Paris and France, often in the establishing shot of films set in the city.